Hello students, today we will discuss part number 4 of question number 2 of exercise 3.4, in which we are discussing the elimination method for solving the linear equations. And this problem says Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she received. In this problem, we have to find the number of notes of rupees 50 and or rupees 100. So we will suppose these two types of notes as variables. And this is let the number of notes of rupees 50 is equal to x, and let the number of notes of rupees 100 is equal to y. Now what is the condition? According to question, we have given she wants to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. First of all, we will also write, and next total number of notes are 25, and total amount from these notes will be total amount, that will be rupees 2000. Now these two conditions will make our linear equations. How? Total amount means amount from rupees 50 notes, that will be 50x, and amount from rupees 100 notes will be 100y, and the total amount will be the sum of these two amounts, that is given as 2000. And total number of notes 25, and the number of notes of rupees 50 are x, and number of notes of rupees 100 are y, and the total number of notes will be x plus y, that is given to be 25. And these are two equations. And now we will solve these equations by elimination method or by equating the coefficients of variables x or variable y. We will equate the coefficients of x, multiplying equation 1 by 1, because the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 1, and multiplying equation 2 by 50, because the coefficient of x is 50 here, and it will be 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000, and by multiplying all these terms with 50 will be 50x, 50y, and 25 into 50, 1250. And by changing the signs of each term, we will be able to cancel this first term, and 100 minus 50 will be 50y, and 2000 minus 1250 will be 750. And so by solving y is equal to 750 over 50, and it will be 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, and the y will be like 15. And for this value of y, we will find the value of x by substituting it one of the equations, and we know that in equation 2 the coefficients of x and y are very small numbers, so it will be easy to solve this type of equation, and so we will get the value of x from this. Now we will put the value of y in equation number 2, and it will be x plus 15 is equal to 25, and so x is equal to 25 minus 15, and that is x is equal to 10. And so our values are x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 15. And what are those? And so we can say number of 50 rupees notes, rupees 50 notes will be equal to 10, and number of rupees 100 notes is equal to 15, and this is our required answer. Next question, part number 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and one additional charge for cash for each day thereafter. Saritha paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Sashi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. We have to find two types of charges here. One is fixed charge and the other is the charge for each extra day, and we will suppose these two type of charges as x and y. Let the fixed charge of book is equal to x rupees. Let the charge for each extra day y rupees. And now we come to our conditions. First condition is Saritha paid rupees 27 for book kept for 7 days. We will write this condition. Saritha paid for 7 days is equal to 27 rupees. It means Saritha has paid fixed charges and the charges for each extra day, and the fixed charge for the first day is rupees x, and there are remaining 6 days, and the charge for 6 days will be 6y, and the total charges will be 27. This is our first equation. And now second condition is, that is for Sashi. Sashi paid rupees 21. Sashi paid for how many days? For 5 days. She had paid rupees 21. So the charges for 5 days will be x plus 4y. X is the fixed charge of the book for first day, and remaining 4 days will be charged as 4y, and the total charges will be 21, and this is our second equation. Now we will use elimination method to solve these equations by equating the coefficients. They are already equal. Now taking 1 and 2, here we have no need to multiply the equations with the coefficient of the other equations because they are already equal. So we will write these equations as it is, and it will be 4y is equal to 21, and by changing the signs we will cancel this first variable x, and plus minus minus will be 2y here, and 27 is of plus, and this is minus, plus minus minus again, that will be 6, and so y is equal to 6 over 2, and by cancelling we will get 3, and so y is equal to 3 is our first value. And by substituting this y, putting y is equal to 3 in any of the equations, let us see in equation 1, x will be 6 into 3, and that will be 27, and x is 18 is equal to 27, x is equal to 27 minus 18, and x is equal to 7 and 2 9 here, and so the values of x and y are 9 and 3, and therefore fixed charge of book is rupees 9, and charge for each extra day, that will be rupees 3, and this is our required answer.